How to fix Instagram. There was a problem logging you into Instagram. Please try again soon, and it's easy. Just go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and then go to settings, apps, and apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it. Now click for stop, this one here, and you go to storage, clear cache, and then click permissions, give it all of those permissions here. Now go back, turn off your Wi-Fi, turn it on again, restart your phone and try again. And if you have an iPhone, just open your settings, click general, click iPhone storage, and then search for Instagram, click on it and click offload, and that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.